Welcome to the Fundamentals of CSS 3. This course is designed to teach you how to use CSS to take your web pages to the next level. Before you proceed with this course, please make sure that you have already completed the HTML5 course. So if you recall, when we learned HTML, hypertext markup language, it is used to create the structure of all web pages. If you are interested in developing websites and you have already learned HTML, its cousin CSS is the second language you need to learn. My name is Hira Khan and I'll be your instructor. I'm the co-founder, Chief Operating Officer and Cloud Native Specialist at PanaCloud Private Limited. I'm also the Director of Women Empowerment Division and Lead Faculty for the Cloud Native Specialist Program at the PIAIC. I have been developing web and mobile applications and teaching others how to develop them for over 10 years. I have trained thousands of students at various institutions and universities. In this course, I'll share a lot of my experience and help you succeed in building your own websites. In this course, we'll go through the latest standards when using CSS3 with HTML5. So you don't need to know any other programming languages. To follow along with the exercises in this course, all you will need is Visual Studio Code and a web browser. As you have already experienced with the HTML5 course, each video focuses on a particular functionality, followed by a practical video that demonstrates how to use that functionality. We'll continue to use the same methodology for this CSS3 course. By the end of this course, you will know how HTML and CSS work together to build websites. Let's get started.